This is the Iron Trader. It is Thursday morning, so we are going to review crude oil here and natural gas. Now, for natural gas, the EIA report will be out at 10:30 today. This video is for information purposes only, not a recommendation to buy, sell any stock, buy an ETF. Please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. All right, here we have crude oil, your daily, your weekly, and your monthly chart. So let's just look here at the downside. All right, real-time price right now is 81.68. So what we need to do is it needs to hold this 81.70. So you're just about right there, okay? So if that is lost there, then what we want to do here is we have this 100 SMA here, but first of all, we want to go to this 81.50, okay? That was the retest. That really needs to hold. And then right below that here is 81.34. If that is lost here, we come over to this 8 SMA here. You're looking at 79.22. And then we can do is come right down here. Okay, so you have your 200-day basically sitting at 78.28 here, and your 50-day 78.27. That is going to be your big targets, this 50, this 200-day. That's going to provide very, very good support here. Now, if you look at this chart here, you can see where, here was that bull flag. Went right on up here and got up to that 89.85, okay? But I was pointing out that bull flag. I also pointed out this bear flag, and then we had that indecision candle for the week here, okay? That was not good, okay? So it's been selling off ever since. So when it tried to rally, this is why you always use that 8-day and the 21-day. That 8-day, I know it doesn't look like much, but it's a lot stronger than it looks. See how that is? Right into it, right into it. Right into it yesterday, okay? So if say you're scalping it, what you do is when you can take it at the lower end of it, you don't have to get the bottom. And then when it gets anywhere close to that 8 SMA here, you dump it, okay? See, look what you did. See, you can make a nice, beautiful scalp here every day. That's how you make the money in this. So now we have to look at the upside. So you can see that 8-day coming right on down. So on the upside here, what we have to do is 83.20. That is going to be very, very critical. If you can get above that, then we look to yesterday's candle. Okay, that's sitting at 83.42. And then what we can do is we look at this 21-day, 84.85. And then we have 86.40. But you have a lot. See, all these here are on the way down here. So this is going to be very, very tough resistance, as you can very well see. So again, real simple. Upside here, watch that 8 SMA. If you can get above that, you watch this 21 SMA here. If you can get above that, we watch that 50 SMA here. On the downside, this is going to be key here for the week, is holding this 21-day at 81.71. If that's lost, you have your 100 SMA here. And then if that's gone here, we have this right here, the 79.23, your 8 SMA here. And then this is going to be your big target right here. Is going to be this 78.28 lined up here with this 50 SMA. Now, again, if that is lost, then here's your big target right here. Now, there's going to be a lot of support here. We just follow these candles here all the way on down. But this is going to be the target here, is 68.88, roughly $70. Okay, so that will be the target if this is all lost here. Now, your RSI here, well, you're just kind of sitting there in the center here. Your MACD is still bearish, your green over your red, bearish here. This looks like it's going to be a bearish cross here for the week here. Your RSI coming down here. So to me, it just is just a scalper's market here, okay? Take the trade, take it up to the 8-day here, and then dump it. Unless you can close above this 8-day, there's just no sense saying, oh, this is going long, this is going to here. Unless it goes up that 8-day, it doesn't mean anything. Now, again, if it closes above that, then you got your 21 and you got your 50. Very, very simple. Okay, let's take a look here at natty gas. All right, here we have natural gas, your hourly and your 4-hour chart. Now, look at here. You can see this plain as day. 3.64, 3.63, okay? Double top. Boom. Sells right off, trying to work it. Let's see where it goes. Right into that 21-day, right into that 8 SMA here. See, it just can't get through. Okay, so if it can bust through that 8-day, then it hits the 20-day in 1 day. Can't get through there, it's coming right back down. Look how that's all rolling over here again. Okay, so what you want to do here is, on this here, is we want to look to the retest of this level right here. Okay, basically 3.32. That is your retest. If that is lost here, Then we have your gap fill right here. You're sitting at 3.27, and then we have your 200-day sitting at 3.23. Okay, you can see it really clearly here on the 4-hour chart here. Double top with a lower high, never good. Coming on down, this is what you're looking for. Okay, so let's take a look here on a daily and a weekly. Okay, weekly chart here. Now your 8-day sitting at 3.06 here. Your 50-day here sitting at 3.04. Your 8-day is that's a nice cross above, okay, and you're still above your 21-day here, so you still have a bullish pattern. This candle could sell all the way down to that 8 SMA here. As long as it holds that in that 50-day, then you still have a bullish pattern here, okay? And then basically your upside target is this 3.795. Okay, that is going to be your target, is that 200 SMA right there, okay, on the upside. Now, there's going to be, resistance in between. So what we want to do here, let's just look at the upside here. So you want to look at today's high. You're looking at 3.509. We look at this candle here, yesterday's high, 3.6. We look at 3.63, and then you retest at 3.64. If you can close above 3.64, then there's your target, 3.795. Okay, very, very easy. Now, downside here, now you made a lower low here. That's never good, okay? The winter storm came in here, but it kind of passed right on through here. So that's usually what you're playing on. This here is the contract roll, spike high, but then we had that negative divergence here. Tells you got to either sell or short, however you want to trade it, and then all the way down. When it sold off down here, it held this candle right here very, very nicely, 3.32. Look at the nice support right underneath. Now, what we have to do is we have to look at this 8 SMA. This is going to be very, very critical, which is basically 3.32. So that is going to provide a lot of good support. Now, again, if that is lost, then we come to the top of this candle here. This is that 3.279. Okay, and then right below it here, you have your 21-day at 3.23, just like you had on the hourly and the 4-hour chart. Very, very simple. Now, again, if that is all lost here, then we can just follow these candlesticks all the way on down here. Okay, so you're looking at 3.09 here, and then we want to do is look at this 8 SMA here at 3.7, and then we want to look at the 3.04. But this is still looking very, very good pattern here. Your RSI here, yeah, you're coming off a little bit here, but it's no really big deal here. You're still got a bullish on your MACD here, which is looking very good here. The key is as long as it can hold this 8-day and this 21-day here on a closing basis, and it might be if it can, that'd be a great scalping opportunity to go back higher. Okay, so just quick review here. Watch the top of this candle here, 3.50. Watch yesterday's high at 3.60, then watch this 3.63, and then your big retest there, 3.64. A break above, she goes to this 200-day, 3.79. 8-day, key support, if that's lost, you come here, 3.27. If that's lost, you got 3.23. Okay? Very, very simple. Just keep your trading very simple. This is also, nat gas is also a scalper's market here. Okay? So it's easy to scalp. You can use UNG here or Boyle here for the long, or KOLD there for the short. Okay, very simple, makes it very, very easy to trade in and out. Take your money, put it in your pocket. Okay, that's all I got for you right now. I'll have more for you on the crude and natural gas here after the pick close here at 2:30. Thanks for watching.